Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce and welcome you to the Creative Computing Kit, one of GoSTEM's early learning kits. So you have your physical kit in hand, now what? Well, we have a series of tutorials to help you facilitate the lessons that are in the kit. And this is the intro overview video, and the rest of the videos cover each lesson in detail. We have prepared 7 lessons that get children thinking like computer scientists in creative, collaborative, and engaging ways. These lessons teach to the whole child and use multiple intelligences. And all of the lessons are adapted from the Computer Science for All in San Francisco curriculum that was put together by the San Francisco Unified School District.
We'd like to share with you a little bit more about the source. So you can find the original lessons if you begin here at csnsf.org. And then here you can learn about the curriculum. And if you click on PK through 12 scope and sequence, you'll read here that currently no officially adopted national, state, or local standards exist for computer science. And that down here, they created their own comprehensive and coherent scope and sequence to articulate the full trajectory from pre-kindergarten to 12th grade. So they've done a very robust job at pulling together different skills to start at pre-K all the way through 12th grade. So, and then more under curriculum, if you go under K2 Creative Computing, you'll get to the lessons that we used for the Creative Computing Kit. And then if you come underneath here under Red, you can click on Unit 1, and these are the unplugged lessons that we used. You can see that there's more lessons than what is in your kit. So if you're wanting more, you know where to go now. So these are all unplugged, and then if you go under Red, you can go under Unit 2. These are the B-Bot lessons, and again, there are more here. And then lastly, there's another unit called Scratch Junior, Unit 3. This is using the program Scratch Junior, which is a developmentally appropriate programming language designed specifically for children aged 5 through 7. So this is a little bit higher than our target age group. But if this is something that you want to pursue, you also know where to go.
A quick note that we were intentional about offering lessons that don't require screen time. There's plenty of information and data out there to show that we could all use less screen time, including our young learners. The lessons in the kit will engage your students in pre-coding activities that will highlight big computational thinking skills like sequencing and algorithms and programming, and probably most importantly, perseverance. All of that with the goal to help us use the power of computers to help us solve problems and to express ourselves. As mentioned, the first 4 lessons are unplugged, meaning there's no technology required. Your students will kinesthetically explore the idea of a computer, as well as how to talk to a computer using sequences and algorithms. And they'll do that through activities like secret handshakes, as well as making origami. In the last 3 lessons, students will apply their computational thinking by using a real robot. They'll be using this cute little robot called a B-Bot. And the lessons will share the importance of planning to program their B-Bot to do things that are related to familiar stories like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, nursery rhymes, and life cycles. So the 7 lessons in the kit, they build on one another, so we encourage you to complete the lessons in order. That said, you know your students the best, and we want to encourage you to feel free to adapt, add on, or leave things out that simply don't work for you. It's our hope that this kit will support you and your students into the exciting world of computer science. Thanks so much for watching.